Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to remove an account from Messenger on iPhone. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is go to Messenger app and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down and tap on Switch Account. So the thing is that Messenger only allows you to delete an account if there is at least one other account added on the same device. So now what you want to do next is swipe left on the account that you want to remove, then simply tap remove and then tap remove one more time to confirm your action. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.